Hello everyone, it's me again, Tony. Um, Here's an update on my golden finches and all my birds that I have. This one's my purple breast golden finch. He's making his nest. His partner is a orange head, white breast. They should be laying very soon. Here goes my orange weavers. And then this is my other pair right here. This is my yellow back, purple breast, golden finch. And this is my white breast, green back, female golden finch. And they already have one clutch for me. Right now they're mowing, so they're not breeding. And then going on to my other pair that I have. This is my green back, white breast male, and my purple breast, black head female. They have one baby. Baby's in the nest. I'll show you guys in a bit when it comes out. It's getting big now. It's about 3.5 weeks old now. Okay, here it goes. As you can see, the baby. There it is. I'm pretty sure it's a black head, like the mom. No white breast. It's gonna be a purple breast. They only had one. And then here's my green singer. It's a female. My orange weavers, as you guys seen already. And then I'll move on to my other birds. They're in a different section of my yard. These are where I keep my breeders, as you guys will see. And then here's my two babies that I got left from my yellow back, purple breast male, and green back, purple breast, white breast female. I only have two left. I gave two to my buddy, one of my partner. The other two are owl finch and one Cuban. These are my Russian canary. Only the yellow ones are the Russian canaries. The other ones are mosaic. Thanks for watching, everyone.